What is the idea behind choosing film stars as the brand ambassador of the different teams?
I think because Ravinder ji has been in this industry, and I think he's like associated with so many celebs and everything. I think he'll be able to understand, give his answer correctly.
I didn't get your name, sir.
My name is Rakesh Taplial.
So Rakesh sir, it's not just the film stars. We all know that today social media has become a great platform to promote anything. Media in general also. Fortunately, unfortunately, the celebrities, to say, get a lot of attention and they get a lot of on social media also eyeballs. So the idea was that we bring in known faces, famous faces, like we have Leander, he is not a Bollywood person, or Sania. So it is a mix of course, the Bollywood and even legends in the sport. So idea was to get known people, they vouch for the team or the league. You surely see a better reach of your content and your campaign. So that was the idea.
I'd like to add on this. So basically, celebrities when they join a sport, what they bring is eyeballs. People in India, like as of now, if we see who's watching tennis, who's the audience who's watching tennis, it's mainly the tennis lovers or people who understand tennis. We want the masses to watch tennis, just like let's say kabaddi. I mean, I have never seen anybody around me, left, right, center, up and down. Nobody has ever played kabaddi, but people watch kabaddi, right? So same way, we want the masses to watch tennis, and the masses are interested when they know someone, what they are watching. They know Malaika Arora, they know Tapsi Pannu, so they want to watch the team of Malaika, the team of Tapsi play against each other, and they want to. Then that's how they will come to know about the tennis players. That's how they will know their names, and that's when tennis becomes popular, and that's when tennis grows in the country.
Ravinder
So,
sir.
Ankita, do you agree with it that tennis players are not that famous like Malaika Arora or Tapsi Pannu? We know that
I think they also mentioned Leander and Sania, who are, I think, no less global stars. But anything to grow the game of tennis. I think if getting in a celebrity and getting more eyeballs to the sport, helping players in turn get sponsorship, which they have managed to achieve, which is no small feat, let me tell you. The top tennis players are now able to travel 30 to 40 weeks a year, which is very, very difficult otherwise for them to be able to do so and showcase their talent around the world. If that is the outcome, I am all for it, and I think this will only bring us more success and make our stars more global in future.
So Subhashi for Ananda Sports. In land of cricket, how do you see tennis establishing?
Through TPL. So this is an endeavor, as everyone has been saying, that as we connect the masses, as we connect more people to the sport, we make it more engaging, more interesting. That's where the whole format, the uniqueness of TPL is that the format is very, very aggressive and high speed. So watching on television makes it very interesting. So you find, I would not be able to give you the analysis which these guys have better knowledge of, but every season they have added eyeballs and viewerships. And that is where I feel, again, coming back to the previous question, even bringing in entertainment, connecting these two sides, which globally is being seen, grows the particular sport and interest in masses. So that is exactly what all of us here are trying to achieve with, of course, your support and players' support. End goal is to make it as big as cricket. So वो achieve करना.
Shubham. Good afternoon, sir. So my question is to you is that, sir, we are saying that the entire league is playing in the Pune. So when we can see other venues are coming up, like the multiple, like Delhi can be come up for the tournament, like when we can see that?
very soon I am to pushing them to take it international. Why only India? We will be playing all over. I mean, it is again giving exposure to a Haryana boy in Pune and maybe sometime in Dubai or somewhere else. So yeah, I mean, venues are always a decision which TPL takes with some, I'm sure, some insights of what is happening around the sport and what is the best facility, because no doubt this is a great stadium and it can host a lot of good sport, but I'm sure they took the decision with some background to it. यही जवाब दे पाएंगे उसका.
So the plan was to move every 2 years. We did the league 2 years in Mumbai, after which we moved to Pune. So we are doing it, this is the second year in Pune, and one highlight would be we are making the court exactly like the Lever Cup, which has never happened in India before. So you will see a black tennis court, a dark grey tennis court first time in India. And Pune, like we all know, has the best stadium. It was home to the Tata Open. And after this year, of course, we plan to move either to Delhi or Ahmedabad. And like Ravinderji said, the future plan is, of course, to take it international and get bigger players to play in the league.
So good afternoon. This is Sanjay Agarwal, so sitting in the front. My question was also about the celebrities, because recently, like even the election commission is getting Sachin Tendulkar, you know, and you people have got 2 celebrities, so that's a clash. So TPL doesn't get any mileage until you have a TPL, somebody is endorsing TPL. So here it's fight, you know, it's between 2, it's either Tapsi or Malaika. So are they also partners to the team? Are they owning the Punjab Tiger? They have a share there? Both the
Let me
players?
start with the first question. I can't comment on the election commission, but yes, we don't have 2 celebrities, we have 8 of them. Each team has it, and everyone first endorses TPL and then comes into the team. So it's like if you do not honor the mother, you can't really love the child. So they are sold on the concept of TPL, and then they take up a team or participate or partner. Again, I can't comment on other teams, but yes, Tapsi is a co-owner with me,
Right.
and she is fully committed. She has given us time, advice, being part of every decision we take. So they are not just the faces. At least I can vouch for my co-owner that she is not just the face. Of course, she is the face because she adds value proposition to the team, but she participates. She's part of every decision. She was there for the auctions. We took the team together. So बहुत effort डालते हैं वो लोग. It's not just that they're the celebrities, so they're just being there for the heck of it.
Very well said. You want to also reply?
मैं राजेश शर्मा यही जानना चाहता आपसे कि जो बच्चे हमारे पास अभी आए 5th सीजन तक हम पहुंच गए हैं 5th सीजन तक हम पहुंच गए हैं अभी तक जो बच्चे आए हैं एक तो राउंड कितना आपके पास बच्चों का रेशो जो पहुंच गया है गर्ल्स और बॉयज़ में, और क्या कुछ जो हम पेरेंट्स का फेथ बनाने में सक्सेस हुए हैं अभी तक, कितना आप सेटिस्फाई हैं?
सर, ये मेरे से बेहतर आंसर या तो अंकिता जी दे पाएंगी या कुणाल मुनाल दे पाएंगे, बट जितना मैंने देखा है, जो हमारा, मैं पंजाब टाइगर्स की बात करूं तो जो हमारा सोशल मीडिया पेज है जिससे हम प्लेयर्स के साथ एंगेज करते हैं, वी गेट लॉट ऑफ मैसेजेस, वी गेट लॉट ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन बाय द पेरेंट्स. पिछले साल जो हमारी TPL प्लस की टीम थी उसमें जितने भी बच्चे हमसे जुड़े थे, एग्जैक्टली सेम टाइम सेम वेन्यू, दे आर स्टिल कनेक्टेड विद अस, एंड उनके पेरेंट्स नए लोग जुड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं. बट एग्जैक्ट एनालिसिस एंड नंबर्स आई डोंट नो इफ यू कैन गिव और कुणाल.
So season 1 में there were around 50 players from Maharashtra who participated in the league. In season 2 we started the talent days and we were getting around 100-150 registrations for each talent day. In season 4 I could say last year 2,000 people played the selections, out of which we selected players for each team. The vision with season 5 is to have 600 tournaments. And if we calculate even 100 participants in each tournament, so we want around 6,000 tennis players in India to be a part of TPL. So आपका आइडिया वही है कि we do more and more tournaments and we do it on a regular basis. और इनमें से हम जो बच्चों को सिलेक्ट करेंगे, the plan is कि हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, हर टीम के सिटी में से एक प्लेयर को सिलेक्ट करके मेन लीग में लाया जाएगा और जो टॉप प्लेयर्स होंगे उनको स्कॉलरशिप दिया जाएगा।
रविंद्र सर जी, आप तो बास्केटबॉल के खिलाड़ी रहे हैं, तो फिर टेनिस की तरफ आने का कोई कैसे?
जी, मैं बिल्कुल बास्केटबॉल का खिलाड़ी रहा हूँ, बट एक खिलाड़ी रहता है. सो एनी स्पोर्ट इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू मी, बिकॉज स्पोर्ट जस्ट जनरली अगर बात करी जाए तो इट brings in lot of goods in a individual, discipline, physical fitness, बहुत सारी चीज़ें, वो कोई भी sport हो. Basketball is an amazing sport, I love it, but having said that, tennis is also now very close to me because I am part of TPL and this opportunity came. कुणाल मुनाल ने लास्ट सीज़न हम लोग से मुलाकात की और ये अपॉर्चुनिटी शेयर की, तो आई श्योरली वांटेड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, बिकॉज जिस तरीके से इनकी मेहनत सीज़न 4 तक दिखने लगी थी, लोगों का विश्वास बन चुका था, प्लेयर्स का विश्वास था, कोचेस का विश्वास था, तो सबने बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट किया. तो वहाँ मुझे लगा कि आई शुड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ समथिंग विच इज़ गोइंग टू बी हेल्पिंग the sport, athletes, and bring out some great achievements in future for the country. So इसलिए मैंने चुना.
My question is to Sneh Patel. Like, what is your expectation with your team, and who do you think will emerge as a key player?
So this year we've got Dennis Novak, Jeevan, and Sahaja. And this year, so far we've been known as the popular team, the most popular team at the Tennis Premier League. And this year we just don't only want that, we want the trophy this year. And I think let's bring it to Delhi. What say? Can we hear a loud clap for Delhi? Let's bring it to Delhi this time.
सेंट्रल इंडिया है, खास करके यूपी, बिहार, झारखंड, उड़ीसा और मध्य प्रदेश, तो इनकी कोई टीम नहीं दिख रही है इसमें. तो क्या उधर कोशिश नहीं करी है, कोई फ्रेंचाइजी तैयार नहीं करने के लिए, तो क्या करा?
सर, तो ऐप से द प्लान इज वी रीच्ड आउट टू पीपल इन यूपी, वी रीच्ड आउट टू पीपल इन मध्य प्रदेश, इंदौर में बात हुई है. तो वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद टूर्नामेंट्स ओवर देयर नाउ टू बिगिन विथ. थोड़ा वहाँ एक्टिवेशन होगा, लोगों पे अवेयरनेस होगा, टेनिस का एक बज़ क्रिएट होगा, और जैसे ही ये हो जाएगा वी विल ऐड मोर टीम्स. एंड इवन इफ नॉट इन TPL, वी वांट टू प्लान अ टायर टू लीग, यू नो, वेयर इन ऑल दीज सिटीज ऑल्सो गेट इन्वॉल्व, एंड देन मे बी गेट देम टू द मेन लीग. एंड प्लेयर्स के लिए कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है. अ प्लेयर फ्रॉम झारखंड और अ प्लेयर फ्रॉम मध्य प्रदेश कैन ऑलवेज बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दीज टीम्स. बट जब तक वहाँ और एक्टिवेशन होगा, प्लान है कि उनको भी जोड़ा जाए.
Do we have any further questions?